Before buying a Pilates reformer, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, JANUA Pilates Board Purple. First up is the JANUA Pilates Board in purple, priced at $79.90. What really caught my attention here is its versatility as a 5-in-1 reformer set. If you want a compact solution for full-body training, this is worth a serious look. Now let's talk about why this product really stands out. The adjustable resistance system means you can customize your workouts based on your personal needs. Plus, it includes a smart timer for tracking your training sessions and even a phone holder to catch your favorite fitness videos while you work out. With over 1,100 reviews and a solid 4.2-star rating, it's clearly a popular choice. However, some users mentioned that the board can feel a bit flimsy during high-intensity workouts. Here's the thing though, if you're starting out or looking for casual workouts, this shouldn't be a deal-breaker. It's perfect for building strength without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you're just getting into Pilates and need a budget-friendly option. Skip this one if you're a seasoned pro looking for heavy-duty equipment. For the price, it delivers great value for your home workout routine. Now, if the JANUA's durability concerns bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, JANUA Pilates Board Pink. Next, we have another JANUA Pilates board, but this one comes in a stylish pink color, also priced at $79.90. Honestly, the aesthetic design caught my eye right away. If you're looking for a chic way to work out, this is worth a serious look. So what makes this reformer special? Just like the purple version, this one combines Pilates and full-body training in a compact design. The adjustable resistance lets you train safely and comfortably, and it's perfect for all levels. The inclusion of a smart timer and phone holder is a real bonus for someone wanting to follow along with workouts without interruption. This model has also accumulated around 1,100 reviews with the same solid 4.2-star rating. Now, some people have pointed out that the assembly instructions could be clearer. For many, that initial setup frustration is just a small bump in the road. This is perfect for you if you want a Pilates reformer that's both functional and fashionable. Skip this if you need a more advanced machine for intensive training. It's a great option that doesn't sacrifice style for substance. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want more features. Product number 3, JANUA Pilates Board Black. Coming in third is the JANUA Pilates Board in black, priced again at $79.90. I was genuinely surprised by how this one looks sleek and modern. If you want something that fits into any decor while providing functionality, this is worth a serious look. Let's break down the features. Like its colorful siblings, this board is designed for full-body workouts and caters to all fitness levels. The adjustable resistance system is crucial for tailoring your workout experience. And don't forget about the smart timer and phone holder, which keep you engaged and focused. With the same 1,100 reviews and a 4.2-star rating, it's evident this board is winning over users. However, a few reviews did mention that the foam handles can wear out over time. Here's the thing, if you're careful and treat your equipment well, this shouldn't be a significant issue. It still offers excellent value and flexibility. This is perfect for you if you appreciate a minimalist design that doesn't compromise on features. Skip this one if you're looking for something that's ultra durable for heavy use. It's great for a home gym setup where aesthetics matter. Now, if the foam handle issue had you worried, this next product might just put your mind at ease. Product number 4, ORWIPO Pilates Board. Next up, we have the ORWIPO Pilates Board, which is also foldable and multifunctional, priced slightly higher at $79.98. What really caught my attention is its ability to combine multiple workout tools into one. If you want a versatile workout experience, this is worth a serious look. So why is this board special? The built-in timer and counter help you keep track of your workouts, which is super handy. Plus, it has a weight capacity of up to 330 pounds, making it sturdy for a variety of users. With over 300 reviews and a 4.3-star rating, it's gaining traction. On the downside, some users found it a bit bulky when folded. But honestly, if you have a designated workout space, this shouldn't deter you. Its multifunctionality makes it a solid investment for anyone serious about their fitness journey. This is perfect for you if you want an all-in-one solution for your home workouts. Skip this one if you're tight on space and need something more compact. Considering the features, it's a good value for what you get. Now, if you're someone who wants an affordable accessory to enhance your Pilates experience, this next product might be just what you need. Product number 5, BKP Yoga Socks. Finally, let's talk about the BKP Yoga Socks, priced at just $8.49. These aren't a reformer, but I felt they deserved a mention because they can make your Pilates sessions more comfortable. If you want to enhance your grip and stability during workouts, this is definitely worth a serious look. Why should you consider these socks? They're designed with a non-slip grip that helps keep your feet stable during your routines. Made from a breathable cotton blend, they wick away sweat and keep your feet comfortable. With over 2,000 reviews and an impressive 4.6-star rating, people seem to love them. However, some customers mention that the sizing can be tricky, leading to a less-than-perfect fit. Here's the thing though, if you're aware of this and choose the right size accordingly, you'll be fine. The benefits far outweigh this minor issue. This is perfect for you if you want to add extra grip during your Pilates sessions without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you prefer traditional footwear during workouts. For under $10, they're a fantastic addition to your fitness gear. With that, you've got a solid lineup of options, from budget-friendly boards to stylish socks that enhance your workout experience. So there you have it. We've covered the JANUA Pilates boards in various colors, the multifunctional ORWIPO Pilates board, and even the BKP Yoga socks that can enhance your workout. Each option has its strengths, whether it's versatility, design, or comfort. Pick what best suits your needs, and you'll be well on your way to a great home workout routine.